Happy New Year's, guys. Welcome back to another video. So I just wanted to get on here and walk you guys through my last salon trim for the decade. Many of you guys don't know, but I did reach my goal years ago, but I just never maintained it. I went through so much in the last 10 years with my hair. I remember transitioning somewhere between 2012 and 2014 or 2011 and 2013, and I remember I transitioned for 2 years and then I relaxed it and then I had to start over, and then I did a big chop. Okay, and then that's when I actually met my goal, like maybe 2 or 3 years later. And then I had a bad salon hair experience, and you guys know about that. I have a video up on that. And then, I suffered 2 miscarriages back to back, which was totally unexpected. And my hair is still kind of recovering, especially in the temple areas. It's just, it's just crazy. But, I don't ever give up on a goal that I have. And, I don't know what 2021 is going to bring, but I'm very hopeful, and I'm looking forward to more experiences, better experiences, positive experiences for sure. And so one thing about this particular salon experience and why I'm going to be looking for another hair salon is because I understand that I went to get this trim on Christmas Eve, and the guy that I normally go to who is doing my blowout and my trim had someone else that I'm not aware of, or was never introduced to do my blow dry, right? And he just got in my head, guys, and I guess he just assumed, since so many of us go in there and we really don't care too much what they do to our hair, and they just rip through it and this, that, and the other. He just started ripping through my hair, and I tried to warn him and tried to stop him, and he got so agitated with me and told me, well, go to another chair then if you don't like it. If I'm doing the best I can. And I tried to give him like wisdom, tips like, why don't you start from the bottom and work your way up? And he just thought that he could just rip through my hair. You know me, I'm gonna speak up. That's definitely a no-no. You don't get to just treat me like trash and then think that I'm gonna keep coming here to get my hair done. So I'm done. Make sure, I understand that you guys have a lot of clients, but this is a warning, guys. Whenever you go to a salon, especially during a busy season, make sure that they still treat you like you're the only client in the seat. It takes integrity to be able to do that. Here on Christmas Eve, I was made to feel like just another number, that they were just trying to hurry up and push me up out of there so they can, fill their financial quota. That's totally unacceptable. So I will not be going back, and I know some of you guys probably will be like, well, just ask for the other guy. Listen, your attitude is everything. And I think a lot of their behaviors is because I was filming on the other videos I did. But I'm done. It's like, shame on you if you fool me once, shame on me if I allow you to do it to me twice, right? So if you guys know of any salon in the Chicago area that really enjoy what they do, because that's very important for anybody who's in any field. It doesn't matter what field you're in. It's important that the person enjoys what they're doing, because that affects how they treat their clients. If they're not happy with their jobs, then you're going to be treated like another number. It's going to show in their customer service. So if you guys been to a natural hair salon or been to a salon where you love how you were treated, you like how they took their time with you, drop it in the comments below and let me know, and I'd love to try them out, especially by June, because I get my salon trims twice a year. So yeah, I'm just unhappy. I don't, if it wasn't for African American women, Mena'S would never even be open. They wouldn't exist, and so for them not to want to take the time to learn our hair and to take time to, take care of our hair, and learn how to detangle it, and and learn the techniques that works, and and this, that, and the other, then it'll be different, because not all of us are have a mindset of from the 80s and the 90s where we don't mind you just ripping through our hair and doing what you want to our hair because we don't have no hair. You know what I'm saying? Some of us actually know about healthy hair and proper hair care tips and management. And so we know when you're not putting your best foot forward. We know when you're not being patient with us. We know when you're just trying to get us out of your chair. We know when you're taking it out on our hair, period, you know? So this is just one of the reasons why I won't be coming back, unfortunately. But I'm happy overall with my journey, and I hope you guys will continue to stay with me as I continue my journey. And yeah, so as always, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for all your support over the years. I look forward to making new content and new memories with you guys going forward. I wish you guys all the best. Peace, love, and success going forward. And as always, I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.